I'm working on my 2009 Chevy Cobalt, and today I'm going to have the windshield replaced. It has a big rock chip right there that is spread to 3 cracks that when the sun hits it, it reflects and is a little distracting, kind of blinding, so I'm going to have that replaced. It already has a rock chip right there that's been repaired, and that's starting to develop into cracks as well. The car currently has 342,019 miles on it. And one of the things I'm curious to see is a few years ago, I had a wrench, well, it was a ratcheting wrench with a pointy end. I'm going to include a picture in it right here. And it fell off a bridge and went through, it bounced on my hood and then went through my windshield and lodged in the dashboard. They had to pull out the dashboard, entire dashboard, to get all the glass out of the vents. So it had to go through insurance. I'm curious to see if they actually repaired the body damage from when the wrench pierced the windshield and lodged itself into the dash. Hopefully they did, but you never know with body shops. They did kind of half-hearted job, and that's one of the reasons why I don't like going through shops. I do most of the work myself. There was still glass dust all over the car when I got it back. So definitely a shop that cuts corners. It's what I had to go through through my insurance. It's one they said I had to go through and recommended. So we'll see. Hopefully they did it right, but I'm going to double check that. This is probably the 6th windshield I put in here in the 14 years I've owned it. So, oh, another rock chip right there. So this definitely needs to be repaired. So as soon as they get here, hopefully they'll not mind me recording. If they do, I might just have to cut to little clips and hopefully show you as much as I can. How much more training does he have?
Not much. He's actually getting his test done on Thursday.
Yeah, I did my assessment on Thursday, and then I'll be in shop for probably at least a month doing about 3 jobs a day. About the crew.
I would not allow him to lift that glass out without my head.
Wouldn't want myself. That'd be crazy.
Look at that, one piece?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Yeah, that's a piece.
Just this one.
Yeah, just throw it back there. I'll get it off. Yeah, wow, I am surprised this was even sealed at all. Look, they didn't get any adhesion right where he
Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Wow. They didn't even do anything with it?
It didn't even do anything. That's crazy. That's where it pierced the dash and went in there. Isn't that crazy? There is not a mark still on the other side, is there? Oh, it's just a little dent. They should have fixed that. Why don't you take the whole piece of it? That's interesting.
Not structural, I guess.
No, they still should have done something. I mean, it don't matter to me. I'm not one of those OCD people that just like meticulously go over it.
Right here. No adhesion, no adhesion. Got a hair of adhesion. Oh no, buddy, he's very clean.
You know, I've always wondered about that too. I thought, you know, it's an area you're literally never going to see. And they completely missed a little seal, huh?
Oh my gosh. Never seen so much urethane here. Tallness wise.
Sorry, look at me over here like I know everything. Just making sure everything's copacetic.
You are the part and you're playing. Good.
Yeah. Yeah, good.
Got the corners that green with STAs.
Yep. Yeah, you did good.
You did great.
You did a lot.
You are on 6, and I'm not quite there yet.
Light on the gun, but don't let it gloop up too much. It's gonna act completely different than you've ever felt it. As you start to go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's just such a different feel when it's at this temperature. I could probably go from standing here. Love the noise. He's kind of goofy.
I got you to see me.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Yeah, it's like a slide on it. You want to get back?
No, just lift it. We're short this hole.
Okay, just gonna move it. It's not fishing.
Yeah. It's
It's a
because
very
of the
weird
weather.
feeling.
It's a completely different thing.
That's the power packing gun, though.
Buddy.
Yeah, I guess any more practice at 1 attempt.
I told you I'll bring a tube home. And you are our last customer of the day today, so which is why I'm letting him do this himself.
Otherwise, we'd have to do it well.
That makes sense. I appreciate you guys letting me record this.
Yeah, absolutely.
That is awesome.
Go up. Yep. Keep going. Keep going. Right there. Smack it. Come on. Come on. What? Give it some. Okay. You know that's how Speedy Glass tests their glass seal.
Really?
Yeah. They do an acoustic test on it and they just go like this.
Like the easy
Yeah, no, exactly. They're like, it's sealed. What are you talking
all
about?
the time the shop the ones doing the acoustic test.
All perception.
Yeah.
You make a customer think, oh, yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, this is the universal test.
I've been doing this for 20 years. Most of them deaf for 30. So. Okay, that's good. It's got a little bit of solution.
It doesn't look good. It looks great.
Get them. Wouldn't have been a problem though. Rather it look pretty. Awesome.
And that is replacing the windshield on a 2009 Chevy Cobalt. It's been enough time now I can remove the tape. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.